Welcome back guys to this brand new video. Today I'm going to explain you guys how to use a smooth motion blur in Premiere Pro. For this video I'm going to use the example of a title. You can add this title to click on this button and you click on the screen and then you can add a title, or you can do Ctrl T and then you can add a title too. But that's not for this video. Today I'm going to explain you how to use the smooth motion blur. If you didn't know, Premiere Pro has an Effects tab. If you can't see this, you go to Windows and you can click Effects. If it isn't activated yet, activate it and then we can go on with the tutorial. So you go to Effects and the only thing you're going to search for is Transform. You're going to have a lot of options, but only this is the thing you need. So you drag Transform right here on the title and we go down to our Transform page, because here you can see it, Transform, and this is a lot of options. And maybe you want to make it pop, like that it comes out of nowhere. So we put the scale down and put it like here. Then we want to make it bigger, so we click the clock of the scale. You go a few frames further. You can do this with the arrows on your keyboard, and then you drag it to make it bigger, like this. You saw? This is what happened. It grew. But still there is no motion blur, but you want the motion blur. So how to do that? We're going to this tab, use composition shutter angle. We're going to click this off. Then we're going to put the shutter angle on what you want. I would put it on like 200. If you now play it, you still don't see really much blur. So to make the blur effect better, we're going to drag the point more here so it gets faster. You saw that? The blur is a lot more than it was like before. This looks really clean, and you can do this with videos, with anything, with green screen stuff. If you want to make the blur any more, then you can just drag it with 360 and you will see it will be more blurry than ever. Bam. Really clean. You can use it with everything, not even with scale. You can use it with position too, and position is like that you can move it all the sides. So this was it for this video. So again, you can do this with everything. You can do this with normal footage. You can do this with normal photos. You can do this with titles. You can do this with everything. And as you can see, guys, thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell to never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching, guys. Later.